Hey, Chris Peterson here with Voodoo Sidecar. Today I'm making a flip cocktail. There's really one main component that you need to make a flip, and that's a whole egg. There's quite a few different recipes you can use. The one that I'm going to be sharing today is my own recipe. A lot of times people like to use rum, brandy, whiskey. Today I'm going to be using a liqueur called Cynar 70. It's an artichoke liqueur. I'm going to be using Fernet Branca and a maple syrup, a whole egg, and I'm going to be garnishing with cinnamon sticks. Alright, let's get started. So grab your mixing tin, an ounce and a half, ounce and 3/4 of Cynar 70, and this is a great liqueur. There is the 50, meaning it's 50 proof. This is 70. I like a little more, a little stronger, has a little more bite to it. Fernet Branca, 1/4 ounce. I'm gonna do like a heavy quarter, just under a half of maple syrup. 1 whole egg. You're gonna wanna dry shake it pretty intensely for about 10 seconds. Meaning, when I say dry shake, you don't wanna use ice to shake it. It helps break up the egg a lot more, and you'll get a nice foamy texture to it. And then after you're done dry shaking it, then you can add ice to cool it down, but only shake for a very short period of time. You don't want to dilute it too much. And after that, you're going to want to grab a coupe glass, popcorn strainer, and double strain into your coupe glass. Get a nice little foamy top there. You can garnish with a cinnamon stick or nutmeg. You definitely want to shave it though, and with a fine grate, and just do it right over your cocktail. Gives it a nice aroma when you're drinking, and a hint of cinnamon notes. And that's how you make a flip, at least the way I did it. Cheers.